Hello, welcome to Under the Hood with Mike Garrison, author of Can I Borrow Your Car? And tomorrow, also author of Would You Build This? Pretty short one today. I'd really appreciate if tomorrow on Tuesday that you went ahead and bought a copy of Would You Build This? And then left us a 5-star review because that really helps. Um, this book's important because it's not a prescription about exactly what to do for my target audience. It is instead a offering of a way to think about the future and how to make sure that the decisions you make today are ones that provide significance and meaning for you in your life. It's written primarily for owners of financial services firms that are already successful enough that you don't necessarily have to work anymore. But instead, now you are working on how you feel inside about what it is that you do. So I'd love for you to go to the wouldyoubbuildthisbook.com. Check out our videos on this channel here, the Can I Borrow Your Car channel that's going to be coming out. And most importantly, subscribe to our newsletter. But if you've gotten any value from our conversations here, me talking to you 5 days a week, I could use your help too. And that would be promoting this book. If you like it, if you want to support, buy it, review it, and then share it. Thanks. Be real, be human, be authentic.